Listen, yeah, before you slap on this indicator, which won't make you profitable, let me tell you the 3 steps that will make you profitable. Step number one, if you're trading ES or NQ, you must have a 15-minute fair value gap that you're looking for a rejection. Here we have a 15-minute fair value gap. And for those who want to know how I mark my levels, it is the candle before the fair value gap. That is the first step, and it's very, very important to understand that. Step number two is we have to wait for the lower time frame, the 1 minute time frame to come into our level. That is step two. Step three now, as you can see, price heads into the level and then we get a rejection higher. So what I want you to understand, without going to the order flow indicator, which you actually need, to be honest, you need to understand you have these wicks over here. So this represents aggressive sellers that are failing. Price now breaks above the body at this bullish key level. This gives you some indication that you can take buys without using that stupid PO3 indicator that no one knows how to use, right? So you can have a stop loss just below these wicks because we're at a 15-minute level. And the next question is, where do you target? Well, targets are one of the most important things, right? So as you can see over here, we have some data highs over here. This is the most recent high over here. So we're simply looking, just to sum this up one more time, we're looking for price at a 15-minute fair value gap to target the most recent data highs at this level. So let's quickly draw this out and see how this goes. So as you can see, price almost came up to the data high, but we didn't quite get there. So what is the quick lesson over here, right? Do not be greedy with your TPs, right? The reason why price didn't get there, if you look carefully, is that we also had this 1 minute imbalance over here. We had a small 1 minute imbalance over here. Oh, not that big. We had a small imbalance over here, and price is likely to reject off 1 minute imbalances. That's something I found from my data. So that's still a 3.37 hour trade. So it's a fantastic trade you can take with decent risk, right? So remember, 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute rejection, targeting 1 minute fair value gaps.